Hey Jeep family, Neil with SFJ4x4.com, Simpson Family Jeeps in Conneaut, Ohio, and we are shooting sort of live from Las Vegas at the amazing SEMA show. One of the other big perks of coming out to SEMA show in Las Vegas is that we get to meet up with our friends and industry manufacturers like this one here, Adams Drive Shaft. You've seen their drive shafts featured in a lot of our big builds. Randall, Trent, Tracy Way, there's Rachel. I am with Zack from Dana, the professor of axles, and we are in their beautiful booth this year. They brought all the Jeeps to the party, and I know I heard that just recently before they hit the road out here, there was a Dana 80 in the back of their JT, and production-wise, there is now a 60 because that is actually what's going to be coming to market first. So you want to tell us about those axles at all? Or?
I'd love to. So the Ultimate Dana 60s for our JT, very similar to the Ultimate Dana 60s that we make for JL, JK today. So we start with hardcore Dana 60 with great big tubes in it. We put very thick brackets on it in the spots where they need to be to fit a JT. So any stock suspension, lift kit, it's going to fit a stock JT axle, it's going to fit our axle. So likewise in the front, we've got our Ultimate Dana 60 in the front. And this JT that's behind us, it's got a 4-inch Skyjacker lift, 40-inch tires. It's got also has our 1350 series drive shafts, front and rear. Let's have a look.
And I can attest that dollar for dollar, the Dana Ultimate Axle Series is the best deal on the market right now, because what is coming from the factory ready to bolt under your Jeep, there's just nobody on the market who's touching it right now. Lots of good axles out there, but right now, dollar for dollar, with the beef and the ability to just bolt and run, the best. So what do we got under here?
Well, when you look past our Yeti Steer Smarts, tie rod, drag link, and track bar, you'll see our Ultimate Dana 60 center section for the front. It's high clearance. It's also got the cover face rotated, so when you're coming up to an obstacle, you glide right over it. It's also got big ribs on the carrier. It's got 3.5-inch thick wall tubes. It's got 1/4-inch thick steel brackets that are designed in the aftermarket style, not like the OE ones that are a scoop. You turn them around, that makes them a skid plate. All of the brackets are raised. You got a raised track bar mount. The steering knuckles are raised. We spin SPL 70 U-joints in our 35 spline chromoly axle shafts, inner and outer.
It's
right.
huge.
It's the biggest U-joint on the market. It's right out of you'd have to go to like F350 to get that same size U-joint. Oh, and then you get out to the wheel end, and we use true twin taper roller bearings as opposed to a hub unit. So they're serviceable, and 14-inch disc brakes with dual piston calipers on all 4 corners.
Nice. That serviceability is huge for if you're out wheeling or just keeping it fresh for the trail. So make sure you take a look at the Dana Spicer YouTube page, their Instagram, their Facebook. Obviously check out ours. Make sure you're liking and subscribing and sharing our product.
Check out DanaAftermarket.com.